invited us over to skate it, and yeah, should be a bunch of people there skating, a bunch of fellow YouTubers, so should be a good time. So did you need to get like permission from like other tenants before you built it?
Kind of.
Yeah.
When I got this place, my first thought when I saw the backyard was touring was like, this is a mini ramp spot.
Yeah.
I'm not getting a backyard to have a barbecue. No way.
Yeah.
But I also was like, it's a pipe dream, and it's, who would be okay with this? Like, I am catty corner to 5 other backyards, or connected to 5 backyards, catty corner to 2. And yeah, it was a really delicate navigation. Like, I basically spoke to literally everyone. Like, anyone ever pokes their head out, I'm like, hey, what's up? Just so you know, like, I have the ramp thing going on.
Yeah.
Let me know if it's ever noisy or bothering you. We can figure out hours. Like, try to be super, super courteous.
Yeah, and upfront about everything.
But it's tough, man. Like, this is loud. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
So I've like insulated it with like underwood insulation to actually try to make it quieter.
That's cool. Has everyone been pretty cool about it that you've seen so far?
Yeah, for the most part. I mean, I hear stuff. Like, some people have been upset, but not said anything to me. And I hear about the second one. What up, homie?
What's up, cucks?
How you
Yo,
doing, bud?
there he is.
How's the rest?
Yo, how you doing?
Good. That's it?
That's it.
Is it behind over there? Where's the ram, dude?
You quit playing, dude. Yeah, so anyway, the reason why I opened it up again is my biggest ramp hater neighbors actually just moved.
Oh, really?
And it was like the happiest day of my life when I found out they were gone. They had a baby and they claimed that they were noise sensitive. But the baby is tough.
I mean, I feel like between what, like 12 and 6 should be pretty good if you're like not going crazy. You know?
So I'm like super respectful. I only do like weekday business hours, no music.
Yeah,
I keep it small. And I kind of stopped throwing parties back here as like a courtesy to like, you guys are giving me some leeway during the day, I'm gonna give you some leeway during the night. But yeah, man, it's been cool. People have been pretty awesome.
No, don't put me on YouTube. Don't put me on YouTube. No, you. Please subscribe. No, I'm just kidding.
What's up, guys?
It's good.
We can't have people know.
How you been?
Chad?
Good to see you.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? I think it's
Danny.
the first time we're meeting, right?
I think so, yeah.
Big Chad, you wanna drop in, test it out?
If you guys don't trust me, I'll do it. I mean, I skated this for like 2 hours yesterday.
Oh my god.
And that's Chad Caruso.
Let the record show that was on the wheels.
I'll drive the ramp off a little bit.
That was a horrible idea.
Not gonna do tricks like that anymore.
What was that? I might just let everybody else drive the ramp off and then I'll hop in there.
Trusty mop.
It also doubles as Josh's girlfriend.
That's what I do at work.
I can tell, dude, your corners are definitely.
Thank you.
Chad, you want to do my kitchen next? What you got, Jeebus?
I'm just trying not to die.
How was that? Not your best work.
What?
Chad, right here. I got you 10 seltzer waters if you land the line this try.
Gotta be kidding me, come on.
I think that's a redo. Sure. I'll let you get a redo. That's a redo. Yeah, that's a redo.
Yeah.
You won't do it this try.
Sure, I won't do it.
You won't do it. Alright, you get a redo. That's a redo.
That doesn't deserve a redo.
Was that ramp error or Chad error?
I take full responsibility for that.
Alright, you won't do it though. Challenge Josh to a switch from feeble to regular.
Woo, that's a tough one.
Wow. Do me dirty like that.
That was fucking Yo, you just. Oh. Josh been real quiet since then. Third time's a charm. Dude, in your own house, on your own ramp.
Gotta get a good old wash sometimes, you know? Squeaky clean.
Oh, I'm so glad I turned the camera around. I'm 6'2". What?
Sick line.
What? Chad, you got switch front 5-0s?
Maybe. Guys, that's gonna wrap up that session. And yeah, everyone that was skating that ramp today has a YouTube channel, so I'll link up all their channels in the description. Yeah, it was fun catching up with everyone, and shout out to Josh for the invite. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.